Okay, this video is gonna be wild. I'll tell you that right out of the gate. This one's gonna be insane because I'm channeling the energy of a video that I did 10 years ago. 10 years ago. So I have something to talk about clearly with that video, and these sneakers are some of the best New Balance ever, so I'm gonna unbox them. And I don't do many unboxings on this channel because when I do them, I want them to be special, and this one is certainly special. So let's dive into it and let's talk. 10 years ago, I did a YouTube video on this shoe, and shout out to anyone that recognizes this New Balance box. If you have a pair of New Balance in this box, you've been in the game. You know what's up. Let me show them to you real quick. We've got the New Balance 998 in concept collaboration, the original C-Note. Now, 10 years ago, I put out a YouTube video because I like New Balance and I like talking about sneakers, and none of my friends are into that stuff. So I started a YouTube channel to talk about sneakers, talk about New Balance, and I put it out there, and I found a lot of other people that enjoy New Balance. And I believe I was the first person on YouTube to do a video on this shoe. I did it in one take with the sneakers on my feet and a point and shoot camera recording into a mirror. Just a wild video, which is why this one's wild, and the lighting is crazy. Now, fast forward 10 years, and I believe, again, I'm the first person on YouTube to do a video on this shoe. So inside the box, this is the first thing that you see. Thank you, old money meets new money. Concepts, love that. Props to Concepts, just as a boutique in general. They just always show up, especially with their collabs, and I think they do it the best. I really do. This is the box, quick look, because the details are there. New Balance printing their own money nowadays, but I can't wait any longer. I can't wait. Let me see these things. Oh man, they stayed so true to the originals. Wow, they really did. It looks just like the original pair. Holy smokes. Oh man, it is so nice to have a fresh, brand new pair of these. Holy smokes. If you're part of the new generation of sneakerheads, you probably aren't that familiar with the 998, but let me tell you, it had its moment 10 years ago. So many different colorways, this one being the best in my opinion. Look at that shape. It gets its inspiration from the $100 bill, which has a nickname, C-Note. The most notable change is that they added Concepts there. And let me grab the other pair. The tan suede is a little bit darker on the 2023 version than the 2013 version, which you can probably notice best on the tongue there. The copper tone on that plastic hit is darker on the 2023 pair as well. So this is more of like a true copper on the 13s, and then this is more of a brown. But that blue hit on the midsole there, that's the one that always gets me. It just brings this whole shoe together. And then you do get extra laces, that olive and then that gray. Default is white in there. But I got stories, man. I got stories. How did I get this original pair? I went to Concepts. I was not able to get them. And I'm walking to my car and I'm like, man, I struck out, but I still want to get a pair of New Balance. So I go to the New Balance store on Boylston Street. And I'm like, okay, I'll just get another pair of 998s, whatever else. What was popular at the time? 1600s. And I walk in, the store had just opened. There's like nobody there. And I'm chatting with the guy that works there, and I'm like, yeah, I was just down at Concepts trying to get the C-Notes, couldn't get them. He's like, oh, we got them. I'm like, you do? Here? Right now in the back? He's like, yeah, we just got them. We were gonna sell them tomorrow, but I'll give you a pair now if you want them. And I was like, yes, please. So how funny is that? Was able to grab my size and went home, made a YouTube video. Fast forward 10 years, I've got a fresh package from Concepts. So thank you to Concepts. Major shout out to them. Thank you so much. This is truly incredible. I had an idea that these were gonna re-release because last year I was invited to New Balance. I was on a panel talking to the New Balance lifestyle team. It was actually awesome, just good dialogue, a conversation about the current sneaker market, what I was buying, what brands we're seeing. So it was me, it was Dion representing Concepts, and a few other industry people, and I was wearing the C notes. And I was talking about the experience of how I got them and how I just thought this was one of the best 998s there was. And they started talking about how it's the 30th anniversary of the 998 next year, this year, 2023. And he gave me the look. He gave me the look like, you're probably gonna see those again. And it was difficult to keep that under wraps for a year, knowing that the best New Balance ever is about to re-release. So October 5th, I'm not sure when I'll upload this video, hopefully immediately. October 5th, New Balance website, Concepts website, 220 bucks, 30th anniversary of the 998. This was the 20th anniversary, and it's only right that these release. I just did a video on my top 10 fall essentials, a video on the best Air Force Ones that you can buy right now. So if you are new to this channel and you've never seen one of my videos, make sure you subscribe. Hit that thumbs up for your boy one time. If you've been here since this 998 video, please let me know down in the comment section. That's it for me though. Thank you guys. I'll catch you next time. Peace.